my name is Bobby Arnold and I work for the Porch Factory. Some of my main responsibilities as a lead installer is 1, make sure that the job is ready to go. 2, I have to make sure that my gutter is set right to where it's pitching water. And also to stay on top of my helper to make sure that things are getting done. At first I really had no clue about this field, but it wasn't until, my boss showed up at my school and introduced us to the field and said, hey, this might be something to really give a try, and just like that, stuff happened. I started as a shop guy. I was working part-time out of high school. Starting pay is $10 an hour, which doesn't matter what your level of experience is, everybody starts at the same. As a shop guy, you'd probably make $20,000 a year, but once you become an installer as a helper, your salary increases $15,000 or more, and then as a crew leader, you have potential to make $45,000 to $60,000 a year, depending on how much effort you're willing to put forth to make that money. It's rewarding to me to see my finished product at the end of a job. As you can see, from start to finish, it's a bit of a mess. Be prepared to learn is one of the most important things, because there's nothing they can teach you in school for you to learn how to do this stuff. It's very, very neutral based. You just come out here and you got to give it your all kind of thing. For anybody who's considering coming out here and trying this, I would just say, bring a good attitude, real can-do attitude. Just be ready to go.